We have one short-term rental property, but we have a vision for the future. So our biggest pain point was wondering what our steps should be for us to scale. And so having someone that has already been there, done that, and actually made mistakes is super helpful because it saves you from having to skin your own knee.
Sometimes you get the best version of people when they host a workshop. With Seth and Tori, there is no breaking through a facade. They are genuine from the very first word they say to you. And in this case, they're telling you the good stuff, but they're kind of leading with like, hey, this is where we fail. That willingness to share, like the not so pretty parts of it, saves a lot of people a lot of money.
I've been to so many different workshops when it comes to business. This one stood out because their experience stands out. There is nothing that can compare to this that I know of. You learn from the best. You learn from people who've actually failed more than the rest because there's a story there. And what we found from this short time period was what should we not do is actually just as helpful as knowing what we should do. You're probably in one of these three stages. You're at the very beginning and you're not sure what to do. You just know you want to learn the shortcut, or you have something established, or you have something established you want to scale and you want to know how can we take that to the next level. And all three of those phases were present in this group.
You're genuinely in a room with other people who have the same questions, or they might be a little bit ahead of you or in front of you, and you can lean into them too, and you can actually get information from them too. So it's not just the coaches, it's the other people that you're going alongside with.
If you are going to start something new or grow what you have two options, because you're going to have this version of you 6 months from now, a year from now. And one version of you would be the person that tried to figure it out on your own and is frustrated. And the other version of you is the one who invested in learning the knowledge and is elevated. Everything has been sped up, and ultimately speeding up your results was what we wanted. The skills that we learned here were transferable not only to our future property that we're going to grow, but also to our businesses too. So the operations, the people, the leadership, the systems, all of it was so valuable, and we can't wait to use all of it to save us a bunch of time and stress in the future.
And money.
And money.